Ito ang may bird. Ingay niyang dalawa. Ay, dalawa. Hasim! Good morning. Kagigising mo lang ba? Nag-end ka agad kanina. Naka-1 hour ka na ba nung pumunta ako?
Your school fees.
Minecraft.
What is that?
Minecraft.
Candy again.
Minecraft.
Small ice candy. Small.
Please, ano na ito?
Bakit ba tayo nag-i-English? Pwede man tayo mag-Tagalog. Oh. 1 hour to mag 2 hours to loading daw kasi. Naka-end ka na ba? Kasi nung ano pagtingin ko naka-end ka na. Diba, nasa iyo si Marimar na kay Mary si Marine. Pagtapos ni Mary, naka-end ka na eh. Nag-live ako, walang naka-live, wala si nanay, no? Pero hindi pa ako nakasampay. Hindi pa ako nakasampay kasi 6 nag-chat yung isa kong reseller doon. Pa-deliver na ice candy. Hinatiran ko muna. Mamaya na ako magsasampay. Tapos, wala na ako paninda bukas na tag 5 pesos. Wala, nag-iikot nga ako. Busy siguro si nanay. Kahapon may bisita daw siya. May biglaang bisita daw sila kahapon. May napadparan ka naman. Sa pag-iikot mo, may napuntahan ka naman.
Wag!
Labahan ko doon, nag-aantay. Sa akin, nalaban ko na lahat. Ang problema ko, hindi ko pa nasasampay. Mamaya ko isasampay. Unahin ko muna. Sayang kasi wala na akong tag 5 pesos para bukas. Yun ang hinahanap ng mga bata. No, wag yan, wag yan. Bilang ko yan, wag yan.
Hindi, kuya. Huwag na lang, hindi. Hawak mo yung isa.
Hasim, napanood ko yung video mo. Wala namang video yun Yung video mo, yung in-upload mo, wala namang video yun Please subscribe my video. Wala namang Wala ka namang video. Ang dilim-dilim nung ano, in-upload mo.
Uncle, can't recognize anyone. The Japanese have put a bullet in his head. Can't recognize who you are.
Lagi sold out kaya 1.5 kilo na yung niluto ko para hindi na mabibig pa.
Mag-ikot ka na ulit. Hayaan mo lang ako dito. Isang timpla lang to eh. Mabilis ko lang to matatapos. Mag-ikot ka na. Oy, si Snorri May. Good evening, si Snorri May. Thank you sa pagsilip, sis.
It's not also a problem.
May sisiw. Oh. Nag-deliver ako kanina ng ice candy. May nadaanan kaming nagtitinda ng sisiw. Hindi na naman kami makauwi hanggat hindi bumiling sisiw. Pumili akong isa, 35 pesos. Ayaw ko na. Hindi naman sila nag-support sa LS ko. Ang ingay ng sisiw, naninibago pa siguro. Quiet! Ayan, pinagalitan ko.
Thank you, Uncle. I need to work hard. I will.
Wala bang laruan, kulit? Kulit, di sila marunong magsukli.
Not for why. Just tear out the fly. I don't care who you are.
Huwag ka kasi magbibigay ng buo para hindi ka susuklian. Ay, hindi ka magantay ng sukli. Gusto maligo ng sisiw doon sa ice candy mo. Naninibago pa siya kasi kabibili ko lang yung kanina.
You and me, one-on-one. I'm going to be fair with you. Don't need to feel, okay? Don't throw it. No, cut the crap. In a hurry.
Sabi ko nga, wag mo nang bibili ah. Hindi talaga pumayag. Ang layo nung nilakad namin para lang makabili niyan. Sa diniliberan ko dito, may shortcut kasi gaganon lang kami. Malapit na dito. Hindi, umikot pa talaga kami hanggang palengke. Hindi siya nagreklamo sa lakad.
Wait lang.
Kakainin ako. Di ba mama ako? Pawis ako.
O, anong gagawin ko kung pawis ka na? Pero yan, ano mo, ilagay mo sa kitchen.
Dispensing edge. Stay set. Relax more.
Please, upo.
Who's it there? Is there a problem? This student's injured a man. Keep in our hands. They'll pay you
Ano yan?
on key in the fish market. Let's go.
Dami mo pang babalik. Hindi, konti lang to sis. Isang timpla lang to. Naubusan kasi ako ng tag 5 pesos. Eh, yun ang kalimitang hinahanap ng mga bata.
Nitibis? Kinakain ko.
Snorri May, matulog ka na. Okay lang ako. Tulog na, kulits. Kaka-dede lang. Ah. Magpahinga ka na rin. Ano yung anak mo si Snorri May? Panggabi ba? Panggabi? Kala ko anak mo si Sifula. Anak mo umiiyak. Buwang ka talaga. Si Snorri May, ano yung anak mo? Panggabi? Pag baby, di ba? May shifting yan eh. Pag baby pa.
Where's Master? That's right.
Pang umaga pa. Baka sa mga susunod na linggo, pang gabi na. Yari ka pag nagpanggabi
He's
yan.
my student first. Bring him out. Young, on your right. Fine. Why did you hurt him? He wanted to fight, and I kicked his ass. You couldn't help it. Hey, man, you started again? Take it easy. You're both young men. Injuries are inevitable during friendly fights.
Sino yan?
I will go visit your master, and I'll explain it to him. May I ask what his name is? Forget about it. He won't have time for you anyway. By the way, did you bring the money? No. Take it easy, guys.
Are you cooking a chick? No.
Master, what's your plan?
Sige na sis, good night. Pahinga ka na. Sabayan mo na yung anak mo at mahirap pag nagising niya na wala ka pang tulog. Salamat sa pagbisita. Kent the dog. Kent the dog. The time is 10:19 p.m. Boom! Sawa yung dalawa kong anak ko. Shout out kay Aaron at JNC yan. Makukulit.
Okay. Ako po yan siya.
Yung dalawa kong anak yan. Hoy! Buwan ng dalawa.
Look, let's go. Go!
Kulits, ang kulits ng dalawa. Kulits na tapos na yung piniplay mo. Uy, yung akin pala, ano na kayang nangyari? May 3 hours pa. Kaninang umaga pa to. Kaninang umaga pa to naka-play.
Okay, take it. What's going on here?
This bag of chips says it's zesty flavor, but they don't look zesty, so it's... Wait, no, that is zesty. Oh, period. Say there's a chance.
Caught in trouble again?
Is LeBron gone?
Just fighting. But he brought his master.
Mamaya na ulit ako mag-play bago matutog. Ah, okay.
Mess.
Wala ka pang nabubuo? Di ka pa nakaisa?
Let's talk. No, it's not that. That's asshole.
Si Sis Jenaline humahapit.
That's why I came down.
It's your turn. This one is mine.
Di ko pa pala na-update yung listahan.
Say it again. Whose turf is this?
It's all nice.
On your way. None of your business here. Explore the front.
Greetings, Master. I'm Itma from Goshan Mission. Please let me explain what happened. My student and yours, they were involved in a friendly fight. My student was too strong for yours.
You're not being trained.
That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant, Master.
Who allowed you to teach martial arts? You know the rules?
I don't know the actual rules.
You don't know? Let me tell you then. You must accept anyone's challenge. If you're unbeaten, the incense
May
burns out.
10 hours ako
Then
doon.
you're qualified to teach.
Ah, pero hindi pa tapos.
Those are the rules of martial arts clubs. Understand?
I-send mo na kung tapos na. Baka mabura mo yung mga SS mo.
Martial arts clubs have rules, and so does the police force. I'm arrested to go for assault. 1, 2. Pick up these men and take them in. And this pair, you take them in. Please, Master. Go. 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 Why don't you take her back? The boy is waiting.
Ano flavor? Ay, magkano ah? Magnum lang po ang available. Ha? Isa po? Another play ako mamaya. Tapos na send ko. Ano send mo na? Hindi pa ako nag-update eh. Ano? Kuya, huwag mo payakin si Jay. Ba't naka-live ako eh?
messed up.
May 2.5 hours pa pala akong nakakipit. 11. 1 a.m. pa pala yung natatapos.
Speak up. Yes,
Yan.
the cops are just showing up. Everything will be fine after we get better. Master Jim, I'm sorry to have gotten you. I said I'm sorry to have gotten you way up today. I've been definitely seen you ever since I didn't that move. What did you say? I said I'm sorry to have gotten you involved today. No problem. Honestly, if you hadn't hit me with that broom at the top now, who knows what I'd be doing here?
Oh, buti na lang ito na
Open up.
Wait a minute.
Yes, we did that, family.
Ruby?
Liz, lumayas ka na dyan. Maghanap buhay ka muna.
Bailing out as soon as possible.
Kuya?
What's the matter? Okay, wait for me. It's a pain opening martial arts schools in Hong Kong. Too many clubs, too many masters, too many rules. Then there's master classes. There's too many men, too much money. Oh wow. Wait, you see. All smashed up for market. And boiled on this fish. Listen to yourself. You sound exactly like them. Cute. You know, you're pretty damn fierce when you fight. Who's the kid? So what makes you think I'm a kid? Be respectful. Master Jin is your senior. That's okay. He's just young though. He's just like me at that age. If you want to settle down, find him a wife. Like I have. Family, kids in the house, we'll bring him down to earth. Who's your husband? Have you got any money? Yes, yes. Hey, man. You can go now. Hurry up. Honey! Brother, open the door for me, please. Hurry up! Oh, it's my wife. No. It's your family. Master. No worries. They'll release me in a couple of days. Go. I won't say why. I need another favor. My student loan. Is that okay? Brother, I didn't bring enough cash. That's it. Wait. Honey. Please. What do you need cash for? It's an emergency. Get away right now. Help me, honey. Come on. Help me. Come on. Yeah, stop. Huh? You're the best, mommy. Take cash. Master Rick. I'll pay you back as soon as I can. Thank you. Oh, don't worry. Just visiting other masters. It's not a big deal. You got to be much worse than that. So there's nothing to worry about. You're tired. You've had a busy day. Get some sleep. I've many similar ideas, but it wasn't without taste. It was nice. Yeah. Alright? You heard of me before? The name sounds so familiar. No, I haven't. Who can be better than Master? You're being modest, Master Chang. Are you going up later on? You go, I'll go. Let's stop talking. Thanks. Master. Here it is.
Fellow masters, this is Ip Man. He wants to teach martial arts in Hong Kong. But, as is the custom, he has come here to accept your challenges. Ip Man, if you surrender and fall off the table, lose. Or if you're still standing, and the incense burns out, you go.
Yeah.
Master Ip. You have no questions? Let's begin.
Yan, yan lang. Oh, sinubo mo na naman kamay mo.
No way you're walking up like that. No style at all. Distinguished masters, of Foshan Yushan, student of Chen Woshun, it is my honor to meet you all.
But, who is in charge?
Let's see who wants to go first.
Janali, hindi ka na... Nak, palagay nga ito doon.
Okay.
Itapon mo, tas dalawa. Ay! Binalik mo dyan, balik mo. Huwag mo na ibalik dito.
Please,
Ibang account.
please.
Kaya talaga pag marami ako.
Better be
Tulog na si Gigi. Pahinga ka ngayon. Pansin mo talaga yan? Mana ako kay nanay. Tingnan mo kay nanay, kalahati din.
one should.
Sana all maganda ang kilay.
But, let's not stop now.
Master Ching, Your turn.
Di ako marunong mag-drawing ng kilay.
Master Chief, your turn.
Pansin mo talaga yan? Hindi naman yung kalahati. 3/4 yan, oh. Hanggang dito yan, oh.
The table is very slippery.
Yes, I did it.
Kilay na lang ni Maring Kulits, di ko nakikita. Ay, magaling yan siguro, mag-drawing ng kilay. Ako hindi kasi ako marunong. Ito kasi inahit ng ate ko nung dalagita pa ako. Nagtampo. Wala na, hindi na talaga siya tumutubo, oh. May buwang akong viewers. Dalawa kong makulit. Tawa ng tawa dyan yung dalawang ano. Oo. Ayan o. Pinagtitripan nila ako. Sa kanila yung cellphone kong isa eh.
Isa pa ni Mama.
No.
Isa pa ko
No, kuy. No. Ay!
Oh, yeah.
Talaga naman si JM.
Thank you for sparing. Thanks for the chance.
Yung dalawa kong makulit. Nasa kanila yung cellphone kong isa eh. Pinagtatawanan nila ako sa live. Lakas ng business niya. Ay, Ate Arlene, good evening.
Pulis siya.
Hmm. Opo ate, grabing init ka kasi ngayon.
Nag-iisip na eh.
Oo, kinukuha at ibibidyo sa kuya niya. Pasaway itong bunso ko.
Please. Please.
Gandang gabi, Ate Orlin. Kaya pala nagulat ako, tinitignan ko kamay mo. Di ka naman at magkakatay. Sa kanila yung cellphone kong isa, oh. Pinagtitripan nila akong dalawa. Bakit mo pa si Ate Ice Cream? Mali ito sis, tag 5 lang to. Tingnan mo, ganyan lang yan, pero gusto nila yan, tag 5 piso lang. Gumagawa akong tag 5 pesos kasi may mga batang 5 lang ang pera, kawawa naman. Gusto nila mag-ice candy. Ay, dalawa dyan.
Master here? Yes, General. Welcome to the Martial Arts Society. Don't forget to pay your monthly fees.
Ubus na yung tag 5 ko.
It's a rule.
Wala na. Tag 10 na lang ang nasa ref. Kaya gumawa ako.
It's for your protection.
If anyone still thinks I'm
Gumawa ako ng isang timpla, 2 flavor.
then please challenge me.
Magnum at Mango Graham.
But if this is to satisfy your personal gain,
Yung mangga na binili ko, inulam ko.
It's up to you.
Uy, mura ang mangga ngayon. Amo, ito binili ko. 3 piraso to, malalaki. 58 lang. Nandito na yung isa. Samantalang dati yung 3 piraso na yun, inaabot na ng 120. Sarap ngayon mag-ano ng mangga sis. Ang mura ng mangga ngayon.
master,
Oo, 80. 80 din dito kanina. Tapos maganda yung mangga. Gusto ko kasi yung mapipintog, yung malaman. Ganun gusto kong mangga.
drawings on my
Hindi
notebook.
ka lugi.
Just gonna catch you reading God. Oh, this one's bad. Everyone
Parang baliw yung dalawa sa likod.
made some on killing. That's awesome.
Nanonood kayo ng live ko. Tingnan nyo na lang ako dito. Aaron, JM.
Okay, get to work. Huh? Awesome, yeah. Incredible.
Ay, tahimik na yung ibon. Ay, yung sisi. Marunong makinig. Sinabihan kong quiet. Nag-quiet nga.
Hey,
Galing nga.
haven't been eating enough, eh? Come on.
Wait, wait.
Where are you going?
May nagbigay din sa akin ng mga 4 na piraso galing na sa Ecija. Kinain ko.
Jeez.
Bumili ka na ng ano sis? Bumili ka na ng gatas. Ng graham crackers. Para pag may dumating ulit na mangga, kaisip ka ng gumawa.
Hey! The scumbags are stopping people from coming up to study. Those guys. What you say? Get down here, pussy.
Itong 2 piraso, ay yung 1 piraso, i-graham bar ko yung bukas.
Come on down. There. Chicken, look through one of them with jump. Oh, they know what. Get it, come. Get your weapon. Hurry up. Come on.
Tulog ka na sis! Naku, Gigi. Huwag mo subukan. Sa ingredients pa lang, matutokso ka na. May binili na nga ako condensed at iba. Ginawa ko, nilagay ko sa Mr. Gular. Ang galing-galing. Bahala ka. Sisipagin kang gumawa niyan pag tag-ulan na.
This incident has been a shock. I wish that we can't overuse the rift
Natulog na kayo. Mag-11 na. Sasampay pa ako. Pag tinamad ako, bukas na yun. Ay, sosis. Kaya lang, sobrang gusot yun. Pag bukas ko pa yun tinampay.
We can't practice here anymore. It's not out. Nice talk. Let's go. No. Master, tidy up before you leave. Move mistakes behind things. Master.
Kuya, there's a toilet there.
Daga.
Kuya, there's a
Ano yan?
Everyone's worked very hard for the competition. Share this around.
Thank you, Master.
Kalahati nga lang yung kilo. Ganito lang pala pag...
Hey,
May tagdadalawang piraso kasi yan mula dito. Nagbabanlaw si Mari mo. Wala bang ice candy wrapper na kasya lang sa tig 5 pesos para di na magsayang? Wala.
To the right. What now? Trouble at your school again.
although I've lost my son, I came here to tell you, I will continue to teach martial arts without paying you a single cent. Stop harassing my students and causing trouble for others.
It's you who's causing me trouble now.
Sinipag si Kulits nagbabanlaw
Dealing with the expats. How can martial arts clubs continue to operate
Wala
in
ba?
peace?
Si pare mo to.
The foreigners.
Si pare. Kasi pinuputol mo pa, sayang ang kalahati. Oh.
You don't have to.
Kailangan ang pangit tignan pag
You can ignore the expats.
hindi pinutol.
High and mighty.
I know how you're feeling. We're all trying to survive. But our responsibility as masters
Tignan mo
to teach
ha,
our
hindi ko
students the best that
puputulin.
we can.
Ano mo magiging resulta niya?
Conscience is clear.
Mama, kuya, ka.
Well, then at any rate,
Oh. Mas mahaba pa yung tangkay kaysa dun sa ice candy.
Hold it.
Di ba?
You can't leave just
Oh,
like
mas
that.
mahaba pa yung hawakan kaysa dun sa ice
We are not
candy.
done. Let's finish it now.
Cookie.
Mamaya, close na Tita Jing Doon ka na, be. Huwag ka na makulit dito. Yes. Tapusin mo muna sa bahay mo. Patapusin na yan. Ngayon lang sinipag yan.
is this matter more important than to have dinner with your family?
If you want to eat. Are you ice cream after dinner?
I won't keep you any longer, Master.
Sa isang araw, magagawa ako ng
See you there.
ice cream. Sis, yan na rin, tatry ko yung ice cream.
Ay,
Yung popsicle, wala pa yung ingredients ko eh. Pinatype ko, sabi ko magbanlaw muna.
Put them over there.
Huwag ka na magpunas ng kamay dyan. Magbanlaw ka na.
So,
Hayaan mo si paring makipagmaritisan dito sa amin. Pare, umimik ka dyan, pare.
go get some rest. Get ready, practice your next. Tomorrow? Yes. Right now. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna do it. Take care.
Sarap yun. Sana nga masarap. Sabi ko, umayos ka. Ano, tinatype mo dyan.
Can I have a word with you?
Hayaan mo siyang makipagmaritis dito. Magbanlaw ka na doon.
Have some tea. Please.
Lumabas na ang kape. Binawi ko na city. Baka matuto mag-white tea. Mayari ako. Baka matuto yan. Matulad ka dun sa kakilala natin.
How's my martial arts?
Great, of course. You can defeat many men in 20 years. In 20 years, you will defeat easily. Everyone.
Si Jowa hindi rin mahilig sa white tea. Sa TikTok. Makita mo ang TikTok nun. Napakadami niyang upload sa TikTok.
As a martial artist. But you only concentrate on
Puging-pugi siya sa sarili niya sa TikTok.
I want you to learn Chinese martial arts because they incorporate the capacity for self-cultivation with its spirit. It's balance.
Yes, kuya. You're so big.
Understand? You want to hear a story? It's about Jin Shan Zhao, Master Jin.
Ito, mahilig sa mga babae sa Facebook. Yung mga nagsasayaw. Si Ma'am Nene nga, tinignan niya account ni Paring Tagay. Nagulat siya, vlogger daw pala asawa ko. Nagpa-vlog-vlog din ba?
Go play over there, boys.
Daming reels sa FB. Oh,
Master.
turuan mo din sa TikTok. Mas marami doon.
What a coincidence. What do you want, Master?
Have some extra tickets. You want to go? It's what you want to.
Si Turo Carrera sa Kalapati kasi member yun. Member siya doon.
Master Hum. Your eyes are swollen. Are you okay?
You can look at
Buti hindi siya nag-alagang kalapati. Ibon ang nagustuhan niyang alagaan.
a bad place to teach martial arts. Place them in 3 rows. And 3 rows over there. Hurry up.
May tik-tik yan. Puro TikTok. Ikutin niyo nga ang panang init. Puro TikTok. Anak niya upload. Hindi. Channel asawa. Tinalang ko lang mag-ina.
How are you? The forest was.
PM.
How was your negotiation? When are we going to get our money? Whenever I mention money, goes from the bill, you know, what to say. You want to
PM.
our fish stalls to work here. We can't afford a business.
Oo nga. Ang bilis pa naman dumami ng kalapati, sis. Nung sa probinsya pa ako, may alaga din papa ko kalapati. Pero hindi ginaganyan, hindi kinakaray. Ang bilis dumami.
As to you,
Now, sir, home. Bet you wouldn't take the
all the schools that recognize education
Nanalo na siya sa gano'n. Nanalo na din siya sa gano'n.
come through. So everyone's involved.
Ito kalapati ng pamangkin ko. Nako, ingay sa bubong. Mag-stay.
All right, fellas. Hello there, Tim. All well? We've prepared a little show for you.
Hey, come down here, get ready.
You go too.
Papa!
Ayun.
Uy, mag-exit ka na, mag-charge ka muna. Dali na. Naiyak bunso ko kaya ino Diyan na buti may akyatan. May hagdan pa akyat talaga. O lalambitin ka sa tali. Magbabay na kayong dalawa, mag-end na rin ako. 3 minutes na lang. Sige na. Mag-charge na kayo, mag-live na kayo. Okay na ako. Salamat. Magbabay na ako. 1 hour na ako. Kulits, thank you, sis Diana Lynn. Sleep na kayo. Bye-bye. Naka 1 hour na ako. Thank you.
Master,